Dual-sided fully automatic smart lock. S20. Extra protection for young children from going out alone. Both inside and outside unlock using palm vein. Face ID. Card. Password. Dual-sided battery. 2,500 mAh for both. Power bank jumpstart. Both in and out. Emergency key. Both in and out. Apple Wi-Fi for remote unlock. Temporary password. No worries about kids go out alone. No more kids open door to go out at night, more slim and sleek design. Interested? PM our sales team now.